Well, guys, you're about to see the White Bluff Road communities in South Savannah. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time watching, I'm Luis Bruno. I am a realtor down here in Savannah, Georgia, in the surrounding areas, okay? So I'm taking you to South Savannah, which is basically the #1 zip code in the area, right? It's 31419. If you know anything about the market, you know that this area is the #1 in terms of transactions, right? Now, it's not necessarily because of the houses, because a lot of the houses are actually old, right? South Savannah is not full of brand new constructions and brand new communities. It is actually full of businesses that are nearby, like Home Depot. You have the mall. Savannah Mall is like 5 minutes away. You can get to downtown in 15 minutes. You got Walmart, you got Sam's Club, you got Target, you got the movie theater, you have the military base. You have basically everything close to South Savannah area. That's why people love it, right? All of these houses you're looking at on the background, they're from the 1960s, right? And this is pretty much what you're about to see. So if you don't necessarily need a brand new construction, you got to check this community out. So just sit on your couch. You don't have to spend the gas. You don't have to get flight tickets. You don't have to get hotel fees. Just watch my YouTube channel and you can pretty much get informed on this market.
All right, guys. So first of all, let's start with the map. As you can see, this is downtown Savannah. Right here on the east side is Tybee Island. And then right here is Pooler, which is to the west side. We have Bloomingdale right there as well, which is a lot of new developments. You have Port Wentworth right there on this side. Then you have Garden City. So the area that we're going to be taking a look at, let me just zoom in right now. Here is Hunter Army Airfield, by the way, for all of the military guys. So we have this, which is Georgetown. All of this is the south area, right? The south side of Savannah, 31419. So I'm going to zoom in right now and show you guys this communities right here in this area of South Savannah. So this is a very specific video just for this area of South Savannah. All right, so let's get started with it. All right, I'm heading south on White Bluff Road and I'm about to turn right into the first community here on Greenbrier Drive in South Savannah, Georgia. So here we are, and I'm gonna share with you guys some context. So the homes in this area were built anywhere from 1972 to 1996. And yes, you do have a few of them that were built anywhere from 2019 to 2022, but obviously that is not the norm. If you notice, a bunch of homes here are just ranch style, one-story homes, and you cannot expect to find them with open concept and none of that. Now the price range, which is something that a lot of people cared about, it's anywhere from $230,000 to $290,000, okay? Perfect for anyone out there who's looking to stay under $300,000 in this market, which is crazy, right? It's hard to find a home under $300,000. So this video is for you guys. So almost every single community that you're about to see has a similar style of home, all right? Except maybe one or two communities. But the majority of them are just like this. Single-story homes. Some of them have siding, some of them have a combination of both, which is brick and siding, but the majority of them are good. Now, I got a recommendation for you guys. I get questions and comments every single week telling me, hey, what type of people live there? They want to know about the demographics. They want to know about the school districts. They want to know about the crime. So click on this link on the description. Go to neighborhoodscout.com. neighborhoodscout.com. And no, this is not a sponsored video by any means. I'm not getting paid for anything like that. I do research on neighborhoodscout.com. So if you go to Neighborhood Scout, click on Savannah, and you can literally click on any neighborhood that you want. You can compare Savannah to Pooler, Savannah to Richmond Hill, and you will see information about the schools, about the demographics, the age of the people, the race of the people, anything. So if that is a concern for you and you want to know the demographics, just go to neighborhoodscout.com and just search Savannah, Georgia, or search Pooler, Georgia, or whatever you need. All right, let's continue, guys. So this other community is basically down the street. Is Mill Drive right here. You see the same type of home, basically single-story homes, ranch style. Some of them have a metal roof, some of them don't, but the majority of them just have shingles. Now, again, this one have no HOA, Price range is very similar, and so forth. Now, another thing, guys, here in Savannah, Georgia, as you can see, we're close to the coast, meaning to the water, and you might require flood insurance. Now, I checked while I was making this video, doing some research for you guys, and the vast majority of these homes, and I can say confidently about 90% of them are not on a flood zone, at least not here. Now, when you get closer to the south of this area, yes, you do get into a flood zone. And just so you know, the flood zone annually, the average here in Savannah, it's about $732 a year. So if you find a house that needs a flood zone, expect to pay that every single year, $732. Now, another thing that I was doing in terms of prices, so every single community that you're about to see on this video, here are the price ranges based on the square footage of it. Because of course, I can just give you a general number, but I would rather just give you numbers based on the size of the home. So any home anywhere from 0 to 1,500 square feet, the price median here in this area is $278,000. So just so you know, if you want to stay under $300,000, you're gonna have to find a home that at least has 1,500 square feet or less. So anything maybe 1,600 square feet or less, you might be able to find it under $300,000. Now, houses that have 1,500 to 2,000 square feet, the price median of those homes is $332,000. You see the change from $278,000 to $332,000 just on the size of the home, right? The big difference. Now, if you're looking for homes with 2,000 square feet to 3,000 square feet, which is a lot bigger homes, the price median of those homes is $467,000. All right, that is only the comparison of prices is of this year, right? I'm not finding what the prices was 10 years ago. I needed to know what the prices are right now. Now, as you notice, this community that I'm in right now, which is down the street from the previous one, it's a little bit more modern than the other one. All right, so you're gonna see homes here that are 2 stories. They have a better layout, like the one on the screen right now. You see the garage, break homes, bigger, things like that. So when I say $460,000, that's what I mean. And of course, not all of them are gonna be this price. But by the way, now that I'm on this road, you're about to see, guys, one of the nicest homes in the whole Savannah area. Look at that thing. Jesus Christ. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful house right here in the South Savannah area. And of course, this is the most expensive home in the entire South Savannah area, I believe. But anyway, here we are on Rosedew. This is just a dead-end road, basically. Houses are a little bit more modern than the other one. You can see that one, of course. You have ranch-style homes as well, and etc. Now, let me tell you guys this. So let's talk about taxes for a moment. Of course, you have to pay property taxes. So I went and checked, and on a $250,000 home, the taxes were in 2023, they pay $1,549 of taxes. All right, according to the MLS. Now, I don't know if that's accurate, but I'm going to show you a breakdown of that exact home that I talked about on the first payment they did. So check this out. So here's a breakdown of the tax authority of these homes. You can see the county operations, school operations, and transportation operations, totaling the first payment of $827.06. All right, here we are on Coffee Bluff Plantation, guys. This is one of the nicest communities in the South Savannah area. I love how wide the road is. Maybe the camera is not showing the true size of this road, but I truly believe this is one of the best communities that we have. It's very peaceful, a lot of nature, a lot of break homes, a lot of big homes. You have other smaller homes as well, but this is basically, I mean, I would definitely live here if that tells you something. I would definitely live here. You always see people either jogging around, or they're maybe walking their dog or riding their bicycle, whatever it is, right? Very peaceful, very quiet. The houses are not too close to each other, and that's basically one of the things that I love about Coffee Bluff Plantation. By the way, guys, if you got any question about the real estate market in Savannah, Georgia, or Pooler, Tybee Island, Richmond Hill, Guyton, Rincon, it doesn't matter. That right there is my cell phone. All right, you can either text me or call me right there on the screen. Also, here it is, my Facebook. You can follow my page right there. I post every single day, and on Instagram as well. And also, now I am on TikTok, living in Savannah, right there on TikTok. All right, so if you got any question, guys, don't forget to call me. And in the meantime, I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.